Welcome everyone to Investology. This side Sagar once again with a brand new video for Bank Nifty analysis for 15th of July. So let's just quickly see what we had discussed yesterday and how the market has performed. And if you guys in my previous video I have mentioned like if Bank Nifty breaches this 22,000 level, then we might see a very sharp fall, which happened, and the market gapped down only 150 to 200 points and tested our first support, which was around 2100 800 levels. Okay, and in my telegram channel also I have mentioned like market is gapping down, so those who are on the long side can stay a little cautious. Okay, so the first support, which was around 21,800, it hit, and once it started to trade below those levels, then the next support was around 2100 649, and I was very confident it was going to hit, so I gave a 21,500 put options for you guys to buy for it. Okay, so if you can see, once we sustains the below levels, we saw more quick falling, and all the support levels which I have given in the live market sessions all have been hit. So if you can see, 21,649 it hit, and I have updated those levels. 21,420 also it got hit. Sorry, 403, 21,403. If you can see the blue line, it was also hit, and I said if it falls below those levels, then we might see a sharp fall towards 21,244 levels. And if you can see, market came there and took a very support and bounced back to the previous resistance level of 21,403. Okay, so market has completely respected our given levels. If you can see the three given levels, which were 21,649 and again 21,403, and the last but not the least 21,244. So all the levels were perfectly matched, if you can see in the 15 minutes time frame, and how the market has performed, right? A sharp fall, around 3% fall we saw in Bank Nifty. And if you guys I have noticed, I had mentioned like something is big is going to happen this week, and it happened today only. Okay, so let's see how Bank Nifty may perform tomorrow and what would be the major important levels. So if you can see, I have zoomed out a bit. This 21,403 to 21,000 244, it is a range zone. Okay, if you can see, market has halted here for quite a long time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 15 minutes candle it formed, and it is making a range here. Okay, so what would be the next level for me? And if you can see in the daily chart pattern, if I'll go and show you, just a second, on a daily frame, if you can see, Bank Nifty has made continuous 3 red candles. Okay, it has made continuous 3 red candles, and it is falling more. So the anticipatory is, if tomorrow we gap down, then we might see another round of sellings too. So let's back to 15 minutes frame and see what would the levels for tomorrow. Okay, so the levels are same. Today's support would be acting as resistance, and the lower support I will be mentioning. So the first lower support is today's final support, which was around 21,244. If Bank Nifty goes below 403, 21,403, we are going to hit this first support of 21,244. Okay, and if we fall more below that, then the next level is around 21,035. Okay, and if you fall below 21,035, the final support will be around 20,745. Okay, this is how I am seeing Bank Nifty to go till low tomorrow. The worst possible chance, it might hit this 20,745, and if it goes below these levels, I have not updated, I will update in the live telegram channels. Okay, for the time being, those who want to sell it below 403, if it goes to 21,244, sell below 21,244 only, for the target of 21,035, and for the targets of 20,745. Okay, for the upside range, the first support is around 21,550 to 650, which is, again I'm saying, very highly unlikely to go for Bank Nifty unless and until Nifty is supporting it. But Nifty is also a little bearish these days, so let's see how market is performing around these levels. But still, 21,550 to 21,650 is a no buying zone for me, as I have been mentioning in the last few videos also. So keep watch out those levels and trade on the selling side more. Okay, do not go for buying side unless and until we cross this 21,649 on closing basis, and trade above it. Okay, so these are the levels. So let's see how market is performing around this level, then only we can see. Again, see, 22,600 is also a hurdle, which is very far from here. 1,000 points a gap is there. So let's see how market is performing. So it is very simple. So if market starts to trade below 21,400, see, the first target will be 21,244, and below it the target would be 21,035, and if it falls 21,000 psychological level, next we will be instantly hitting 20,745 within 15 minutes range. Okay, and for upside, once Bank Nifty sustains 21,550, go for buying side till 21,650, then above it 21,800, which is again very highly unlikely for me to go if market gaps down. If markets gaps down, then we are going to see a very sharp selling again, and it will be taking Bank Nifty to the lower levels. I hope these levels are very clear for you. So I'm just zooming it out for you, so you guys can quickly take a snapshot of it and keep these levels on your system intact and trade accordingly, so that it will be easier for you guys to trade. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So then definitely do hit a like and share among your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.